Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since I did a boudoir photo shoot featuring another photographer, preset guy, a lot of you guys wanted me to do a boudoir photo shoot as well. So today that's what we're doing. We're going to be shooting in this beautiful room. Everything is white, so it's going to be reflecting light really nicely. We're going to be using only natural light coming from this window. As usual, I'm using my Canon 5D Mark III, and I'm going to be using the Canon 50mm 1.2 lens. And yeah, let's just get started with the photo shoot. Get you in the bed here. That's awesome. Give me a little bit more of a curve from this side. Yes. Models are usually a little bit shy at first for boudoir photo shoots, so you have to kind of work it through, do simple poses at first, and then they're gonna get a little bit more comfortable. Carlos is already getting pretty comfortable, I can tell. Yeah, I think the light from here looks really nice. Oh, there you go. There we go. Okay, you need to give me a little bit sexier face. Yeah, there you go. That's better. Ooh, there you go. There you go. What about some without the hat?
Without the hat?
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's way better without the hat. You know, just lounging around,
Yes. Okay.
just being sexy. There you go. Ooh, here you go. That's good. What if you turn around actually towards the window? So leave that pillow.
Good shit.
Yes, you're gonna have to just get on the bed. No, I'm thinking more of like this. Yeah, I like that. That's perfect. That looks awesome. Okay, in 1 sec, let me just take these
You're doing this right?
out of here. And let's actually put one of these cameras on here. Oh, yes, yes, looking at me back. Yes, there you go. That's perfect. That's awesome. There you go. Ooh, yeah, there you go. Do that again, just looking at me like that. Yeah. What about, ooh, let's do the one where you're laying down like this, and I'll do the shot from like up top.
Okay.
Let's get you actually on the other side where I have a little bit more light coming from the window.
All right.
Oh, that looks amazing. See, always tell your model that they look great. Okay, I'm gonna try to. That looks awesome.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, I love the hand there. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, now stay where you are and just flip around. And let's do, ooh, that right there. Wait. That right there is perfect. Ooh, I love that. I love that. Stay like that. That's perfect. And I liked how you had two of your arms back.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. And then go back again with one arm and just kind of more this way.
Like this?
Ooh, there you go, there you go. Oh yes, fierce. There you go. Yeah, what if you lay down? What if you just kind of do one hand? Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Amazing. Wow. See, that might be your new profile picture.
Without the belly, I hope.
That's perfect. Awesome. Yeah, what if you, yeah, just hold like that. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed making it. Don't forget to check out Carlos. He's actually an amazing photographer and a good friend of mine. He sacrificed himself for this video.
Thank you.
So go ahead and check him out. You won't be disappointed. Again, he's an amazing portrait photographer. I'll leave his Instagram link in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
There you go. Yeah, that's awesome. If you want to hire Carlos in Calgary,
Well,
I'll
I
leave
swear
it
those
for
hire-
modeling.
It's-
You can get his
Exactly.
private Snapchat.
I can give my phone number away if you want. Swipe up for better pictures. More private pictures.